An operator uses forklift to load pallets filled with boxes onto a chain conveyor. The chain conveyor takes the pallets into the depalletizing area. The depalletizing robot 1 takes 4 boxes at a time and places them onto a belt conveyor. The boxes are sent to the discharge area. This process is repeated by the depalletizer robot until the pallets are empty. Next, the empty pallet travels to a magazine where pallets are stacked. The magazine robot 2 lifts the pallet up so that the next pallet can slide underneath. This operation is repeated until the magazine is full. Once the magazine is full, the whole system comes to a stop and an operator uses forklift to empty the magazine. Next, in order to restart the cycle, the operator loads full pallets onto the chain conveyor 1. Finally, the operator goes to control panel and presses a reset button to resume operation.